Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I'm Zora from Yarn and Needle Cafe. Today in this video I will make this beautiful stitch. This stitch we call it a basket stitch because it's like a basket. It's so nice, easy to make. You can use this stitch making stock scarf, shawl, cushion. I use this stitch to make this scarf, and also I use it to make this beautiful cushion here. Okay, like you see here. Okay, it's so nice, easy to make. I like it very much. Okay, I used in this scarf Cordoba baby one. I don't have these colors now. It's the same of this type, Cordoba baby love and care or baby one. Okay, I needed 3 balls to make this scarf. It's 160 centimeters long, and I think it's 15 width of, just a minute, no, it's 18 in width. Okay, or 7, almost 7 inches. Okay, now so you will, if you want to make the scarf the same of these measurements, you will have to buy 3 balls of this yarn, baby Cordoba baby one or baby love and care. Okay, and I used 4mm hook. It's suitable with this type of yarn. Okay, you can use any type of yarn to make this stitch. Like me, I used here baby one as I show you, and here I used a different yarn. Okay, but make sure that the hook is suitable with the yarn type. So let's gather your supplies and let's start. So I will make a sample here in this video to show you the stitch. I will start with a slip knot. Okay, like that. Make a cross here, and underneath this first loop pull the second one and tighten it very well. So number of chains will be an odd number. Okay, number of chains will be an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's make it more. 22, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I made 25 chains. Okay, now I will, in this row will be a double crochets. Okay, so I will make 3 chains. Okay, I will leave first, second, third chain, and into the third chain I will make a double crochet, yarn over into the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, into the fourth one. Okay, I will make a double crochet, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now in every chain I will make a double crochet till the end of this chains. Okay, yarn over, push your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, through 2, through 2. Continue like that to the end of these chains. Look, I made, this is my first row. All of them are double crochets. Double crochet into each chain, okay? Now I will chain 2, okay, turn my work. Here in this row I will make front post stitches and back post stitches, okay? Let me show you how. I will make in the first 2 front post stitches, what is that, and 2 of the second 2 chain double crochets I will make back post stitches. Look, I chain 2, okay? Here at the first and the second double crochets I will make front post stitches, okay? Yarn over, push your hook around the double crochet, pull up a loop, okay? You will have 3 loops here, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is the first post, front post, okay? Into the second double crochet I will make also a front post stitch. Yarn over, push your hook round the double crochet and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now I made 2 front post stitches, okay? Now into the next 2 double crochets I will make back post stitches. Yarn over from the back of my work, I will push my hook round the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is my first back post stitch. Yarn over from the back into this one, from the back, okay? I will push my hook and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2, okay? Now I have 2 front post stitches and 2 back post stitches. Now I will make here into these 2 double crochets front post double stitches, sorry. Yarn over front post, so from the front of my work I will push my hook around the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again yarn over, push your hook around the double crochet, pull through 2, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2, okay? I made 2 front post stitches. Now I will make 2 back post stitches. Yarn over, okay, from the back, okay, push your hook here like that, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again yarn over from the back, okay, push your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2, okay, and continue like that till the end of the row, okay? 2 front post stitches and 2 back post stitches, okay? Like that. I will continue and meet you here. Now I reach to the last 2 double crochets and 3 chains here, okay? I made front post stitches here. Now I will continue with back post stitches, okay? Here you see the 3 chains, okay? into the third chain here I will make a double crochet. Okay, like that. It's nice, right? Now chain 2, turn your work. Here I will if I meet a front post stitches, I will make 4 front post stitches. If I meet back post stitches, I will make back post stitches here, okay, in this row. Okay, yeah, yarn over, push your hook around this one, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, again yarn over, front post stitch. Okay, and here I have 2 back stitches, back post stitches, sorry. I will make 2 back post stitches. Okay, I meet front post stitches, so make front post stitches here. Continue like that till the end of this row. If you meet a back post stitches, make a back post stitches. If you meet a front post stitches, make front post stitches. I reached to the end of this row. Here I made front post stitches. Now here I will make 2 back post stitches here. Okay, now in these 3 chains I will make at the top of them, at the 30 chain, double crochet. Okay, don't forget that. Now here are 2 rows. Okay, front post stitches and back post stitches into the same rhythm. Now you see here I want to make it like a basket. Okay, now what I will do, I will now chain 2. Okay, sorry, turn my work. Now if I meet front post stitches, I will make back post stitches. Okay, I will work in the reverse. Okay, and if I meet back post stitches, I will make front post stitches. How? Like that. Now I have front post stitches, right? Here I will make back post stitches because I have front post stitches. Okay, from the back, and make 2 of back post stitches. Okay, here. Now here I meet 2 back post stitches, so I will make 2 front post stitches. Okay, like that. Here I meet 2 front post stitches. No, I will make back post stitches. Okay, here are 2 back post stitches. No, now I will make 2 front post stitches. Okay, and what's that, and like that. Sorry, that's wrong. Here, like that. Can you see the basket stitch here? It's obvious now. Okay, continue like that to end till the end of this row. Here I've reached to the last row. Here in these 3 chains I will make a double crochet. Don't forget this step, okay, because these chains are hidden. Okay, now make 2 chains, turn your work in this row, look, at row 1 and row 2 I made front post stitches and back post stitches, right? Row number 1 was like row number 2. Okay, in row number 3 I made it in the opposite way. When I made a double crochet front post stitch, I made back post stitch, right? Here I will continue. If I meet a back post, I will make a back post. Okay, if I meet a back post, I will make a back post. And if I meet a front post, I will make front post. Front post, make a front post. Back post, make a back post. Okay, back post, make a back post. Front post, make a front post. Row number 4, continue it like that at the same of row number 3. Here I will make at the last step a double crochet into that chain 3 here. Okay, look, this is the basket stitch. Okay, okay, every 2 row will be the same. Okay, row number 1, row number 2 will be the same. Row number 3 will be the opposite of row number 2. 3 and 4 will be the same. Okay, I hope that you get the whole idea here. Okay, every 2 rows will be the same. Okay, switch when you end every 2 row. Row number 1 the same of the row number 2, you finish the row number 2 rows here, switch. Okay, then make it at the opposite of the row before. Okay, make 2 rows the same. Okay, in order to make it like a basket. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you to watch my tutorial. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button. Thank you very much. See you soon.